Hello, welcome to this video. I will explain how to solve Cookie Monster's secret recipe challenge. To access the challenge, click on this button, Launch Instance. So this challenge is part of picoCTF Web Exploitation category, and difficulty for this challenge is easy. So after clicking on this button, we will receive the challenge link. So just right click and copy the challenge link. So we can access this challenge in the Firefox browser or in the Burp Chromium browser. So if we go through the challenge description, Cookie Monster has hidden his top secret cookie recipe somewhere on his website. As an aspiring cookie detective, your mission is to uncover this detectable secret. Can you outsmart Cookie Monster and find the hidden recipe? So this is the challenge page, and we can notice one login page. So let's provide some random credential like test and test. Click on login button. So we can observe access denied response, and hint is given as have you checked your cookies lately? So what we can do as this challenge is related to cookie, we can understand from the challenge description and plus the given hint in the browser. So we can right click and go to inspect, then application and cookies tab. Here we can notice secret recipe present. However, this value is not in plain text. So we can copy this particular value, go to Burp Suite, decoder, paste here. So if we notice this value, we can understand it can be base64 encoded format. So just right click on the decode as and decode as base64. So if we notice, this is the flag value. So basically, in this application, the flag value is base64 encoded. So we can easily get this particular flag value by decoding it. So let's copy this, go back to challenge page and click on submit flag. So before clicking on submit flag, let's check the hints. So in the number one hint, it is clearly mentioned like sometime most important information hidden in plain sight. Have you checked all parts of the web page? So as this is very easy level challenge, that's why we got the flag value in the cookie itself. And number two hint, cookies are not just for eating, they are also used in web technology. So in a way, it is asking us to review cookie value always. Sometimes application can store sensitive data in cookies. And third hint, web browser often have tools that can help you inspect various aspects of web page, including things you can't see directly. So basically, in browser, we can go to cookie tab and we can analyze the value. Or in the tools like Bobsuit also, we can check this particular cookie value. So if you notice, so if you capture the request in Bobsuit, in the response part, we can see this cookie value. So we can decode and get the flag value. So let's submit this flag value and click on submit button. So we can notice challenge solved successfully. Thank you.